So we're going to learn how to create a Kanban-like directory sheet where each department is its own lane. Let's close this. So first we come and select the department name, that is a group header, and we say keep together. Okay, click on save. So now it is keeping everything together, but the only issue is here, right? When this breaks, it is looking a little ugly. Okay, so how do we take care of this problem? And you see here, this IT, this should have also be aligned more properly. So for this, we are going to require a small code, which is here. Okay. As we select this, we come to events, on before print. We paste this code. We click on save, preview. Now on each department, it is going to repeat it. See here, correct? Alignment is also proper. If we bring page to be printed on a new page, this will also be sorted.